loves, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a quick wig review on this hair that you see right here. So if you guys want all the deets, then make sure you stay tuned. Okay loves, so before we jump right into these hair deets, first, today is a very special day. It is actually your girl's anniversary day. Well, my husband and I's anniversary day. And so today makes 3 years that my husband and I have been married, and as you can see, I didn't do all of this for nothing, okay? So I'm filming the video today, but you guys are not going to see the video until tomorrow. So that's why I look so spruced up. So if you guys have been keeping up with the videos on my channel this week, you guys will know I did a bright orange look, I think on Tuesday, and so that was like my day look, and this is my night look. This is what we're going to dinner in. We're going to our favorite restaurant, Ruth's Chris. So you know, I had to simmer it down a little bit because the chicken is going to be sizzling enough. Can't wait. So my husband actually just surprised me before I got on camera. There was a knock at the door, and when I went to open it, well, I looked through the peephole and it was the FedEx guy with the package, which is not uncommon. So I opened the door, he gives me the package, and then he was like, but one more thing. And I think I must have looked at him like, sir, I'm not with it today. It's my anniversary. I got things to do, right? But then he looked to the side, and coming up the stairs is my husband with two beautiful bouquets of flowers. And so I literally was shocked, like, oh my goodness. And then the guy left, and that was a beautiful way to start my morning. So we still have the rest of the day and the evening. Have some surprises in store for him, but his are going to come over the course of some days, and he doesn't know. But yeah, so we're just gonna have an amazing day. So I gave him the option of choosing what hair he would like me to rock, and he actually chose this unit right here, which I'm actually so glad. Like, he actually made the perfect decision. So let's just jump right into all of these hair deets. Okay love, so this unit is courtesy of YGwigs. They were kind enough to send me this fabulous unit. Now, I've been reviewing quite a lot of hair. I've been actually reviewing quite a lot of human hair, and sometimes it's hard to like shock me or wow me because I'm just kind of like, oh, okay, it's kind of like the same thing or whatever. But this unit right here, this unit, I'm super excited that I actually received it. One, because they were actually going to send me, I think, another unit, and I was like, hey, another company is already sending me pretty much the same hair, like, can I get another option? And this was the option that they decided, and I'm super happy that they did. So all that I did was I did bleach the knots, but because it's a full lace wig, the way that I had bleached the knots, I actually had started to bleach some of the hair, like in the hairline area, and so I was nervous, like, is it gonna look bad? Like, it's a few blonde pieces, but I mean, you don't see it unless you're like really close up on it. And then I actually was like, maybe I'll just bleach it a little bit, but I was like, no, I actually kind of like how it looks. So I just decided to go ahead, put it on my head. And so what you guys will see in the video is that was the hair after it had just been freshly washed. So I washed the hair, it air dried. That's what it looked like. I actually liked how it looked, but I knew I needed to be a little bit more put together. So I decided to wand curl it in like random areas just to go for that, what is it called, like the bedroom look? Is it the bedroom? The bed head look? I don't know. Something about, I guess, if you have bed hair or something. But I decided to go just for like the messy, you know, curls look. It's not too uniform. Like, that's just kind of the look I decided to go with. And as you guys can see, I have a beautiful dress on that you can't really see, but this is the top part of it. Make sure you guys check my social media. More than likely I'll have a full body shot of what it looks like. Now, I wasn't really sure what I was gonna wear, but I had this in my closet, and I think it worked out perfectly, especially because it's a lower bob. So one thing I like about YGwigs is that they sent the unit in a box, but then the box also came in a little bag like this. And so I thought that was super cute. I hadn't seen that before, as well as some little, you know, trinkets and stuff that came inside the box. But this unit is a Brazilian 360 lace wig. It's 14 inches. It's a straight bob. It's 150% density, and it's natural color. And so yeah, I absolutely love this unit. First of all, the pluckage. Now, that's probably not a word, but I'm going to say the pluckage on this unit. I did not have to pluck this unit at all, y'all. I didn't even have to go in like after they've already plucked it. I didn't even have to pluck any more hairs. I literally put it on my head. I already figured that it already looked super natural, and so I was like, what more do I have to do? This is the perfect unit, especially for today. Of course, I would love to be resting and relaxing and having fun with my husband, but I'm killing two birds with one stone with, you know, filming our look so that we can go and have fun and stuff. So I'm just just glad that this unit was super easy. It's super low maintenance. I really have no issues with this unit at all. Like, I cannot find one. It is actually a gorgeous unit. I just love how it falls. Now, if you guys know me, I love long hair. So when I put this on, I was like, that is a different look, and I feel like it makes me just, it feels sexy. Like, you know, long can make you feel sexy, but short, it's something about short can make you feel sexy too. Now, I like the fact that it's not too short. Like, for me, I don't feel like short, like bob short, is sexy on me. I feel like it ages me a little bit, but this unit, I feel like it's sexy. Like, oh, I'm excited. As you guys can see, I'm super excited. So I hope that you guys love it. I absolutely love it. I am about to go enjoy the rest of our day. I feel good. Hopefully you guys feel good. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you guys check out the following video that is coming right after this one. It is a wig sale video. It's a wig sale informational video. The wig sale is on Saturday. I've been letting you guys know that all week. So hopefully you guys are getting ready for it and you guys prepared for it. I have all the information and exciting details in this next video that you guys are gonna see. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you guys in my next video.
I will love you anyway, even if you cannot stay. I think you are the one for me. Here is where you ought to be. I just wanna satisfy you, 'cause you're not mine and I can't deny it. Don't you hear me talking, baby? Don't walk away, don't be so shady, but whoa, 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 sweet thing. Don't you know you're my everything? Oh, sweet thing. I wonder why it always starts this way. She starts by saying she don't wanna play no games. He says, girl, don't worry, 'cause I'm here to stay. She replies and says, hope you're not telling me lies. It's a common story of a hood girl's first love. I will love you anyway, even if you cannot stay. I think you are the one for me. Here is where you ought to be. I just wanna satisfy you, 'cause you're not mine and I can't deny it. Don't you hear me talking, baby? Don't walk away, don't be so shady, but whoa, 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 sweet thing. Don't you know you're my everything? Oh, sweet thing. I wonder why it always starts this way. She starts by saying she don't want